Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you that the device comes with the 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So let's open the box first. And here we have now the adapter, fortunately, the headphones adapter. So we have here the charger brick, the USB Type-C cable, and now we'll check it. Here it's inside of this paper box, and now we can see here that our device comes here with this adapter. So let's check it. As can you see, we have here our 3.5mm headphones adapter. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.